Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we will present our reporting from the article on data analysis step using Van Leeuwen's approach. Application of Theo van Leeuwen's critical discourse analysis in Liputan.com. News on the dissolution of BSNP by Mutia Mubashira, Yuma Rashid, and Mitahu Khairah Anwar, 2021. This is our group, and from the first is introduction. This report analyzed the news article about the dissolution of BSNP using Theo van Leeuwen's critical discourse analysis at CDA. The study explored how media use inclusion and exclusion strategy to show or hide certain actor and idea, revealing power relation and ideological bias. It shows how word choice in the news can shape what people believe and how they see the issue. Our main point is that there is a three our main there's a three main points. First, show how Van Leeuwen's model reveals power relation and ideological bias in media. Second, applies inclusion and exclusion strategy to see who is made visible and hidden in the news. And the third, explain how linguistic choice influence public perception about the issue. Our next presentation will be overview of Van Leeuwen's approach that will be presented by Megan.
Okay, so the next part is overview of Van Leeuwen's approach. Van Leeuwen CDA focuses on how social actors are included or excluded in text. It examines linguistic choices that reveal ideology and power behind discourse. There are two key strategies. The first one is exclusion. Exclusion is omitting or obscuring actors through participations, nominalizations, or indirect references. The second one is inclusion, representing actors through differentiation, categorization, and identification. Van Leeuwen's ideas help to break down the classroom's conversation in the article. By looking at the context and language patterns and power dynamics, we can see how teachers and students interact and what it says about society. And the next part is step-by-step data analysis that will be presented by.
Okay, the next is step by step data analysis. So the first one is data collection. The data collection use qualitative descriptive method with source from liputan6.com news on SNP dissolution. The method is content analysis and supporting literature. Focus on policy change in Parmenides Utrecht number 28 2021. And the next is contextual analysis. The contextual analysis first is social, shows that control over education standard, and the cultural is education as a key public concern, and historical shift from independent BNSP to central authority. The context highlights powers and participation tension. The third is discourse analysis. The exclusion strategies is hide actors to shift focus to policy impact, and the inclusion strategies is highlights specific groups and actor groups, uses labels to shape BNSP's positive image, and the fourth is ideological analysis. Language hide critics favoring governments. BNSP framed as a valuable and independent body shows that power imbalance state dominates the narrative. The last is interpretation of findings. Language reflects powers and social 10. News balances reporting facts and subtle critics that frames public perception of education policy. Thank you.
Next is examples from the article. There are seven examples. The first is differentiation and indifferentiation. Differentiation contrasts actors such as parents, teachers versus students, just to highlight conflicts. Indifferentiation is generalizations such as people say blah blah blah. With secure specific purpose. Effects for this differentiation and indifferentiation is to seize who gets attention in debates. Number two is objectification, abstraction. Objectification use concrete terms such as two problems for clarity. Abstraction is to use vague terms such as many issues to exaggerate scale. The effect is to influence perception of urgency. Number three is nomination and categorization. Nominations, neutral labeling such as BSNP is needed. For categorization is add descriptor such as independent, professional BSNP, which shapes image of BSNP cells. Number four is nomination identification. Nomination basic reference such as public participations. Identification adds clauses such as independent public participations to emphasize traits. This effect is to guide how audiences judge actors. Number five is determination in determination. Determination names specific actors such as expert X says blah 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 blah. And in determination use anonymous groups such as some experts say blah blah blah. So the effect is to create accountability or ambiguity. Number six is assimilation individualization. Assimilation is to groups actors such as former members said blah blah blah. But individualism highlights individuals. Member Y said blah blah blah. Its effect is to emphasize or dilute credibility. The last one is associations and dissociations. Associations links actors to larger groups. For example, BSNP represent the public, so it represents a larger association. And dissociation is keeps actors isolated. For example, BSNP has a role, so the effect is expands or narrows perceived influence. The next is conclusions by Bima.
Thank you, Taufik. So, from this presentation, we can conclude that this study applied Theophan critical discourse analysis to examine how Liputan6.com recorded the dissolution of BSNP. By collecting data from Liputan6.com news articles covering the BNSP dissolution and examining the linguistic strategies that used to frame different actors in the policy change and applying Van inclusion and exclusion strategies such as nomination, categorization, association, pacification, and nominalization. Then identifying ideological bias through the representation of BSNP as central and policymaker as minimizer. Interpreting how the language used that reveals underlying power relation and influence public perception. This research also recommending future research to include audience perception and post-cultural studies for broader insight into media impact. For references, here are our references and thank you for all your listener. Bye.